Hi, in this video I'll show you how to remove silence from your videos using Auto Editor Python script. I've seen a lot of tutorials online showing how to do this for DaVinci Resolve, for Premiere and other programs, claiming that it works for Sony Vegas, for MAGIX Vegas as well. We will go through it together and see how it works and if it's a solution for your problem, and maybe if you want you can integrate it, or at least try to integrate it in your workflow. So let's jump to my PC. We will open up, first step is go on Google, write download Python, go to the first link, download Python version 3, the latest version, and 3 point whatever, it doesn't matter, just download this, install it. I'm not going to install it, but yeah, I think you will manage to install it on your own. After you install it, open up bash and you should be able to run this command: python pip install auto editor, right here -m python -m pip install auto editor, and now it will install auto editor for you in Python with the help of Python and pip. It will just take a few seconds and it will install it for you. After you install it, I'm going to be lazy and close this, close the browser, and go here into my video. So I'm going to use this video file. Let me copy it real quick here in this folder. And in this folder we are going to right click and choose, so not right click the file but just in the browser, right click, open PowerShell window here, and write auto editor that we just installed with Python a few moments ago. Write the video name DSC, and if you have multiple video files you can just write them down like this here with spaces. And maybe for the future, if you want to do something automatic, like get all the videos from the folder automatically, if you have loads of video files, you can maybe make a script for that, but I just do it for the video files individually at the moment. So I'm going to do it individually for this one. So I have this video file and I'm going to write -- export Premiere, export in Premiere format, and this creates an XML file. Let me open Vegas again, or let me make a new project from here. It doesn't matter. Let me choose 24. Doesn't matter the project here. So let me show you how the video file looks like. It has, I'm going to press Shift and up arrow to show you like the WAV files in a larger format like this. So you can see I have a couple of silent spots here at the end, and I want to remove the silence in between and so on. So this should have been removed with this auto editor. Now let's try to import it. We go to File, Import, Final Cut Pro 7, DaVinci Resolve. It says .xml. Yeah, this is what we have. I don't want to save changes. So beware, when you do this, it will make you a new project. So do not import to an existing project. I will show you in a second. So when we import it, we've got now an exception message. Yeah, close this window. And now you can see the video has the silence spots removed. Yeah, and this is where the problems start. You have two audio files. We can go ahead and delete this track. Yeah, because we only need one. They're basically the same. We can also go ahead and group all the files, because let me show how they are at the moment. So they are not connected to the video file. Yeah, so they're not grouped. I want them to be like this. Maybe if you have some kind of shortcut for this, that would be great. But for the moment, you can either group them like this, or if you have a huge file, obviously you don't want to waste a lot of time doing that, so I'm going to group them all together now. And how can you use them? The way you use them is that you have to open up a new Vegas instance, so you have two Vegas, Sony Vegas running, MAGIX Vegas, sorry for bringing Sony up again. So in your actual project, let's say this is your actual project that you're working on, you open a new Vegas, import the XML files, and then copy it, group them before copying them, and now you paste them into your project. So paste. Now they are pasted. Now they're like a group, and if you want to maybe further delete some silence points, you mark them out and delete them, right? And one nice thing is that maybe the silent, when you do this, the silence cuts out like a T from your voice. So maybe you want here to extend this part of the video so that you get some sounds here that it cuts like you don't really need it to cut. But let's say for me, what I've tested so far, like 90% it's alright, but in one or two cases you might miss an ending from a word and you have to expand this. So if you go here at the end, make sure you press U for this so that you ungroup it, and press Ctrl L to disable ripple mode, and then you can extend this, and then extend the audio file as well till the point that up till the point that you find your missing sound. Let's push this aside. Let's say this was supposedly cut off, and now you got it back, and then put everything back, maybe group them again, and you're now back in business. Oh, I think I pushed yeah, as you can see, if you ungroup them and then you make them larger, you kind of get this problem. The solution to this is that you have to ungroup these as well, group them back, and then now you can bring this over and push these aside. So yeah, this is a lot of fumbling with the grouping and ungrouping, but it gets the job done. After you finished here importing the stuff, you can delete it or import in this Vegas instance your other XML files. And yeah, this is how it works. This is how you remove silence automatically using Auto Editor, and this is actually the Vegas edition if you want to use it for your videos. I found it very useful. Another option is to use Vegasaur. It's a paid program, but you already paid for Vegas. This should be a built-in function. I've seen that Vegas has implemented deep learning and has not implemented a function for automatically deleting silence, although other programs have already implemented this. So yeah, this has been the tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comments if you have any solution for this annoying problem with grouping the files. How would you group them more effectively? And yeah, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.